Back to another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing something I wanted to do for about a few months. So the worker metal kit, specifically this is the part where you have the top rail, you have all the ceiling stuff, and you have this very long barrel. So today we're gonna be installing that crap, and yeah, so I'm not really doing a guide, but I can as I go because I'm basically kind of giving a guide as I assemble it. So I took apart my Nexus. As you can see, I got one piece over here. I took all the little accessories apart, and I took the whole thing apart. The internals are right here. Here's the barrel length for the worker aluminum, metal, stainless steel. I don't care what the heck it is. It looks nice compared to the old one. This is the old one, and yeah. So this one is tighter. So your dart will, be tighter. I suppose that like gives you more accuracy. I know a longer barrel will increase accuracy, but I'm kind of concerned about FPS now that I have a extremely long barrel. I mean, this is a small bit longer than two of these barrels, so I might put this one in the Aeon. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up putting this one in the Aeon Pro. So I'll probably make a guide on that like tomorrow or something. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and install this crap. We're gonna put all this junk together, and I'm gonna kind of put you along with me. So if you're using this as a guide, I already took apart this piece. Some people actually have problems with taking apart this pin and this pin. So go ahead, get yourself a hammer and a nail, and do the hammer and nail thing. You take a nail and you put it where the pin is, and then you start hitting it, and then like you feel me? Okay. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and put this piece in. So this is what connects to here, which gives this a seal. So it goes straight in here and gives this a nice little seal. Wait, why is that so tight? What the heck? Dude, what the freak? Why is that so tight? Hold up. What's going on? It gets tighter the farther it goes down. That's really weird, dude. I don't know what's going on. Oh well. Never doing that ever again. Okay, so far I have no problems. It's just some weird crap's been going on. Okay. Anyways, we're back to the reassembling. Okay, guys. I'm really excited to use this piece. This piece looks cool as freak. I have some iron sights coming in soon. Anyways, we're gonna put this piece back on. So you clip this on here. Looks like that. And you take our included pin, and then we push it through here where the old pin used to go. Slap it in there. What the heck? Go in. Oh my god. This is impossible. It's about hard to get the pin in. Okay, the pin goes straight into here. You can see it go in. I'm gonna go ahead and push this in off camera. Oh wait, no, never mind. I might not have to do it off camera. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it off camera. Okay, I'll be back. I gotta go push this pin in, and yeah, I'm pushing this pin in real quick. Okay, I took a hammer. I just banged the heck out of that pin. So now that pin is in here, and it's nice. It's clean. It's solid. Everything's going great so far. I'm so far extremely satisfied with this product. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't have the other side to the kit, like the plunger tube and charging handle. I mean priming handle, whatever the heck this piece is called. I'll get that part later. Why I got this barrel here? Okay. Back to the reassembly. So we need to unscrew this piece here. This should unscrew by hand. Then I have my O-ring right here lubricated. I already got this piece lubricated just in case, it might leak there. I'm not sure. Because, I mean, this does look like a spot where it would leak. I mean, it's an extra hole. Sounds like it'd leak, you feel me? Then, once you got this piece in, freak. We have to break this piece. Because okay, listen, okay? You need this piece here. Not this piece. You need this piece with this big O-ring. Okay? So we gotta disassemble this. So we gotta pull this thing off. We just gotta rip it. Oh, that came off so easy. I never knew this would come off like that. What the freak? Okay, well, shoot. Now you take this, slide it over here. but you should lubricate the O-rings first, which I'm going to do right now. So we're going to need to lubricate this O-ring, and then we're going to have to lubricate this one in a second. So we need some of that good old silicone lubricant that I got from AK Blaster Mods when I ordered my 12 kilogram spring. I'm not putting the C to 18 kilogram or 16 kilogram. I don't care. I'm not going higher than 12. Honestly, I don't even want 12 kilogram. I want like a good solid 11 or 10 kilogram. I'm not trying to get these high spring numbers or whatever. I'm just trying to keep it as reliable as possible. You feel me? Like, I ain't here for the biggest, baddest amount of power, dude. But, I mean, I like power. Don't get me wrong. Power's cool and all, but, like, I'm trying to keep mine, you know, reliable. I'm trying to keep this thing as long as possible, you feel me? I ain't trying to go and spend another $150 on this entire kit. Like, no. Well, $180 in this whole kit. There's no way I'm doing this ever again. So. Oh yeah, the kit's not $180. Like, the amount of mods that I'm doing to this thing is gonna come out at about $180. It's about to come out around there. So yeah, that's gonna be about the price. Okay, we have this piece nice and lubed. I'm gonna go ahead and lube up this piece too. Okay, nice. Okay, we got all pieces lubricated. So now we're gonna go ahead and slide this piece in here, and it slides in here. And then boom. That's a sticky seal too. Oh my god. Dude, that sounds like a little bit too much lubricant. I think I added too much lube. You know what? No. Cause Dart Zone put a whole gallon of freaking lubricant once I first opened up the Nexus Pro. There was a whole gallon of just some amazing. I don't know where Dart Zone gets their lubricant from, but it's so good, dude. Like that. I don't know what silicone they use, man, but I'm trying to get some of that. Like that thing's good as heck. Anyways, put this thing back together. Screw this piece on. That O-ring is gonna seal right over that, and it's gonna be nice and flush. And you'll never know it's even here. Like, dude, you never know it's even there. That's just such a good spot. Anyways, yeah. So now we got this entire piece put. This entire part, the whole part right here. Boom, so you got a little performance increase already, which is great. We always want more performance. Isn't that right, guys? Let's go ahead and just reassemble the entire blaster now. I'm pretty sure that's what's supposed to go on, right? Yeah, I think it's what's supposed to happen. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I really don't know what the heck I'm doing, man. Okay, we're going to flip this piece around. Well, you know what? And we're going to flip the inside part around, too. You know, just in case, just in case. This thing could have a little bit bad reliability or something. I don't know. It could have reliability issues, man. We got to flip our little pieces around here. Oh my gosh, I have to. This isn't even. Okay. This is the one inside. I'm flipping it around because I'm dumb. Okay. Here. Okay, we're gonna flip it around. Which is its cleaner side? Okay, this is its cleaner side. Okay. The cleaner side is the one that doesn't get enough attention. Boom. And then we're gonna take our plunger head, and we're gonna use a plunger head to sit it in there. Okay, boom. This is a big plunger too. Oh, crap. Okay, now that we have our squishy rings, re-ringed. You feel me? Ooh, it's fire. Anyways, let's go ahead and add in our plunger tube back. I'm gonna reassemble it. But yeah, we need to add in the barrel. This is the most important part by far for me. The barrel and yeah, just the barrel. This is kind of what I bought it for. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and install this. Now this piece, I don't know what the frick I'm doing with this piece. Oh yeah, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing, guys. I know what I'm doing. Okay. No, I don't know what I'm doing. Well, I gotta say, I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and put this piece again. I know what I'm doing. Okay, the barrel starts right here. It starts right here, and it ends up here. That's a pretty long barrel, considering the Aeon Pro's barrel is... This is about 5 or 6 Aeon Pro barrels, if you think about it, really. That's crazy. That's a lot of Aeon Pro barrels, man, We're going to go ahead and add some tape over this piece, so we can see if we can get a small bit better seal. See if that's I don't you know what, that's not gonna be a problem. But plus that metal noise is kind of, you know, scratching my ears, so I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, cover it up a little bit. I just want to cover it up, and plus I'll feel more satisfied. It might even stay in there longer if it's like getting loose. You know, it might stay in there a little bit longer or something for me. So we're gonna go ahead and cover this up with a little bit of electrical tape that I got from my mama. Boom, electrical tape. Slap it in. I think that, yeah, that's too tight. You can't actually put electrical tape on it. Like, this is some. I ain't never worked with this type of stuff before, where I can't use electrical tape. Oh well, this is crazy. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this, and then I'll resume the video. Actually, okay. Now that it's almost done, this is the internal part right here. So it looks super simple, but this was a lot of hard work, you know, a lot of effort, but it looks super simple. But soon, this whole piece is gonna be metal, and then the plunger tube is gonna be metal, and I have a metal trigger and a metal mag release. With the only thing plastic in the internal will be the safety. Only plastic part will be the safety and the pusher rod, because if that's metal, it's gonna slow your FPS down. So just saying, man, reliability through the roof. Okay, it's gonna be crazy. This thing will never die. It will